Here we have a travel plug adapter with USB for Europe Type-C plug. So let's open it up. So when you open the box, it comes in a little bag and also instructions on how to use it, where to use it, what kind it is, and what it's very useful for. So out of the box, it comes with instructions of what it has. In it, it has 2 USB plugs, a C-type plug, 3 2-prongs plug, and 1 3-prong plug. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is just plug it in like any adapter, and it's ready to go. It has a little light inspecting telling you that it is on, so it will be very useful for when you know it's on and it's working. And it's very travel size, so it's very useful to just put it in a bag and go. I hope you enjoyed the video.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.